Hey there mga my love Sagittarius! Thank you so much for always being here with me in the channel, babe. So before we start your reading, na by the way, ang content pala natin is, we're gonna take a look at, ano ba yung sa dinami-dami ng plano, ng person na ito? Ano ba dyan yung pinakagagawin niya? So this could be someone here is specific para sa'yo, or this could be someone here clinging more likely strongly sa iyong energy. But before we find that answers here, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome dito sa channel na to. And if you are interested, mayroon pa tayong other channel. Ang link ay nasa description box. So if you happen to hear noise in my background, I'm sorry about that. It's out of my control, babe. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding. So, yun yung wala tayong gender dito, bae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can flip roles if you want. And of course, at the end of the day, you always have your free will and you're free to use that. So, yun yung mga babes, no? Ano ang hinihintay natin? Let's go ahead and dive into your reading. So, Spirit and Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please tell me about this person here? So, dinami-dami ng plano niya involving may Sagittarians out there. Ano nga ba yung pinakagagawin niya out of all the plans na iniisip niya? And can you please tell me about this person as well? Sagittarius. Thank you everyone for your heartwarming talaga na pagsuporta sa akin. Thank you. This is for Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Who is this person here? At alin ba sa mga pinakapaplano niya rito yung gagawin niya talaga, yung gagawa talaga siya ng action. Okay, so let's go ahead. Ilatag na muna natin lahat no, so that we can get informations. No? We have here the Six of Cups energy. Memory starts to interfere this person's mind or thoughts. Star. The more the memories na niisip niya, the more na mas ginugusto niya rito, the more na mas nagtitriggered yon to do some kind of actions here involving you guys. So let's see more. Page of Cups. Hermit. Nine of Coins, Three of Coins. Okay. Ten of Wands, Ace of Cups, Eight of Wands. Oh. This person here is curious though. Sagittarius. Curious siya rito kung ikaw ba ay dealing na with someone new. Or baka ikaw to, no, na baka pamilyado ka na ngayon, or married ka na, or malapit ka nang ikasal, or may kakonek ka ritong iba. The thought na iniisip niya rito na magkakaroon ka na ng bagong relationship is the scariest thing of all na imaginein, no? Pero yun yung pinakamalaking takot niya rito. What if it's too late for me to take action with Sagittarius? What if late na ako? What if kasal na siya? What if nasa isang beautiful connection na siya? What if? Yan. Memories of the past between you guys starts to na ma-reminisce niya dito, no? Starts to maalala, starts to to feel, no, yung kanyang entire mind or thoughts, Saji, no? The more na naalala niya ito, the more na mas ginugusto niya ritong kumonect sa'yo. Pero hoping siya, with the Eight of Wands energy, of Cups, and there's this Ten of Wands, hoping siya na sana wala ka pang ibang kakonek. Or hindi pa siya totally late dito, no? Kasi hindi niya alam kung kakayanin niya ba rito, no? Na late siya rito at kakayanin niya ba na makita ka sa feeling ng iba. Maybe others of you, pwede ikakasal na kayo or nasa isang beautiful connection or papunta na kayo doon. Posibleng may kakonek kayo rito and this person starts to realize na baka malate siya or baka late na siya. Yan. So, nakita ko rito that your person here really wants to start things anew. This person could be younger than you, but doesn't have to be. Pero pwede yun, no? Kung may age man ditong difference. So, nakikita ko that this person here wants to apologize something to you and wants to rebuild your connection here. So, kahit may fear siya dito, nakikita ko rito na lalapit pa din ito sa'yo. Because the Six of Cups is the energy. Six of Cups in upright is the energy of someone who will take a move or bold movement right here without hesitation, without going back, no? Na magho-hold back, hindi, no? Hindi siya rito aatras sa action na gagawin niya. Okay? But this person here could be observing now. We have here someone here hiding. Okay? Maybe this person here is not telling this with his or her friends or with his or her family members about his or her plans involving you guys. But definitely this person here is taking some kind of bold movements or actions because he or she is realizing that you are someone really special and that you are his or her real significant others. So, yan, nakita ko dito from this person. So, ano nga bang klaseng movement ang gagawin niya rito? Well, this person here will definitely build up the courage to talk to you. Yan. And for some reason, nakikita ko na itong pag-uusap na to no, ay hindi mangyayari in private. Because I'm seeing a lot of people here. Posibleng mangyari ito in a public place wherein there's other people around you guys. Doesn't have to be nakakilala niyo yung mga yun. Pwede rin namang hindi. And this person here is someone na, actually baka nga ilihim niyo ito sa mga kakilala ninyo muna. Pero itong pag-uusap na to, na hindi to magaganap ng kayong dalawa lang dun sa place. Let's say, it's a restaurant wherein meron ding ibang mga kumakain. Or it's a coffee shop na meron ding maraming kumakain. And for some reason, hindi konti yung taong nandun. Pero hindi rin naman maingay. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. So, more likely, itong pag-uusap na to ay mangyari sa public place, restaurant, coffee shop, but nakikita ko rito na makakapag-usap kayo ng maayos. Yan. So, this person will invite you at pwedeng ito ay ipadala niya sa office mo or sa trabaho mo or kung anong pinagkakitaan mo. Sa boutique mo, sa shop mo, no? It's an invitation here. So, pwedeng sadyain ka niya, puntahan ka niya talaga, no? At imbitahin ka niyang personal. Pero pwede rin namang magpadala siya sa'yo talaga ng invitation. So, this person could be a classic man or a classic woman right here. Maybe this person here is into his or her traditions but doesn't have to be. But this person here is showing me his or her romantic side now. Maybe hindi na uso yung mga invitations, diba? Na mga cards or whatever, but this person, may nakikita akong gagawa niyan. This person will invite you out to talk. And for some reason, I'm seeing you right here na parang ang daming gumugulong tanong sa isip mo rito. You're curious why this person here is talking to you now. Why this person here suddenly pop out of nowhere. Okay? But for some reason, I'm seeing that this person here will talk about wound na hindi naghilom even though marami ng mga panahon ang lumipas rito. So baka matagal na kayong nag-end yung relationship. Baka matagal na kayong separated. Pero hindi naghilom yung pain na yon. So you will definitely hear this person here na hindi siya naka-move on talaga from you. Na hindi ka talaga niya nakalimutan dito. So this person here will take you to some kind of a vibe wherein napaka-relaxing yung vibe na yun. Although may mga tao rin around you guys, nakita ko dito that you will feel na parang ang ganda dong ambience, nag-effort talaga siya to look for that place. Yan. So, this is something here na I think papaunlakan mo siya, no? Parang ikaw, sige, eh, I will hear this out. Yan, no? And after ko tong marinig, saka ko magsasalita or saka ko sasabihin yung gusto kong sabihin dito. So, you will come up with a decision to accept this person's invitation to talk or to have a communication or conversation, even though you are having a lot of questions in your mind. So, Sagittarius, I do see that this person here is having a lot of realizations, especially from those times that you've been apart from each other. And I do see that this is something here that's also difficult for you to listen because nakita ko na nasaktan ka rin at nagkaroon ka rin talaga ng sugat from this connection before. But this person here is still, having a lot of regrets, especially if you are already connecting with the person here right now. But I will be honest with you. If you're connecting here with someone, hindi pa kayo o gusto mo na sagutin yung person na yan or kung kayo na, nakikita ko may mga energies na maguguluhan dito. Especially if this conversation happens. But lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo that you always have your free will and you can use it anytime, anywhere. So here, I am not saying that you're gonna accept this person's offer here after hearing him or her out, whatever it is that he or she is about to say to ya. But I do see that this is you. Meron dito mga energy sa inyo na maguguluhan kayo. You will feel like you will be at a crossroads here. You will definitely ask yourself if you are really contented with the love that your new person is giving to you, or are you really satisfied and contented with the attention that you're receiving from the new person? So you will really makakaramdam ng ganong situation for others of you. For others of you, it's up to you. Okay? But I'm seeing you accepting this communication here. Okay, let us hear this person. Kasi baka mamaya sabihin niya sa akin yung confirmation na gusto ko talagang marinig. Alam ko na bagay kung gusto kong marinig. So, posibleng iba sa inyo may hinihintay talaga kayong specific na bagay na gusto ninyong marinig na iniintay ninyong banggitin niya. So, kung ano man yun, okay, it's very specific. You do have here different situations. So, just take how this resonates. Pero kung sino man to individual na to, I think you've been waiting for this person here to explain this. Okay? Pero hindi ko nakikita na ito ay sobrang importante sa'yo. This is you. Okay, pakinggan natin siya. Yan. So, yun nakikita ko dito sa energy mo, Sagittarius. But this person here, if you're gonna ask me, if what is his or her true feelings for me, Miss Yan? What can you say about this? Well, I must say, I'm an energy reader, okay? And a psychic reader, both. So, I do see that this person here, his or her intentions are really pure. Whatever ang lalabas sa kanyang bibig dito is all truth. Especially if this person here will tell you na hindi niya na yun gagawin. I know that is one of the biggest lie with every girl and every boy, no? Na nasaktan when it comes to love. But if this is your person, this person will not do anything stupid once again. That's the energy that I'm getting from this person here. Okay? That's what his or her energy is telling me. You can trust this person here one more time if that's what you are wanting to do. And this person will not disappoint you. This person will not fail. This person will definitely keep this promise, whatever that is. So, if you're choosing to go back with this person here. Okay? I do see that this person will definitely take care of your heart this time. This person will not let go of your hand because it's too suffocating para sa kanya. It's really something here, no, na nag-suffer talaga siya throughout all these years. Iba sa inyo, years talaga yung mga naging pagitan ng connection or gap ninyo. Pero I do see this person here is having a lot of regrets, not wanting to let go of your hand if you're gonna grab yung kanya ritong love once again. So, just like what I'm saying, it's up to you. It's all up to you. And, no? So, kung ano, yeah, I'm saying strawberry. So, pwedeng favorite niya yan, strawberry milkshake, strawberry the fruit, or this is you, no, strawberries, favorite mo. Or maybe this person here like that. Yan. So, maybe that's somewhat here a sign in the clue. But, whoever this individual is, it's all true. This person here will definitely not do something stupid, okay, if ever you will give him or her another chance. Alright? So these are all the messages we've got right here for my Sagittarians people out there. Have a nice day and sarang heyo love in light. Annyeong.